Hello students, again welcome back to your mathematics class. Same topic, algebraic expression, last part, that is division of polynomials. This is the last part of algebraic expression, division of polynomials. Under this category, first of all, I have taken division of monomial by monomial. Means when you divide, how can you divide a monomial by monomial? It's not very difficult. I have written the question, minus 72x square y square z by minus 12x y z. So you write minus 72 x square y square z upon minus 12 x y z. Minus minus cancel. 12 6 are 72. Now coming with to the exponents of variable. So we have learned in exponent, if bases are same and division is there, we subtract the exponent. So it will be according to that 6 x to the power 2 minus 1, y to the power 2 minus 1, z to the power 1 minus 1, that is 6x y and z to the power 0 is 1. So answer is 6xy. This is how we divide the monomial by monomial. Am I clear? Now the next question that I have taken up, division of polynomial by monomial. Children, I told you in the last session that whether it is a monomial, it is a binomial, it is a trinomial, they all are polynomial in them. So here I have taken a polynomial minus 5m cube minus 30m square plus 45m divided by 5m. Two ways are there. I will show you both the ways. 5m square minus 5m cube minus 30m square plus 45m divided by 5m. Now what we do, under each term we will write this 5m. 5m cube over 5m minus 30m square over 5m plus 45m over 5m. Now simplify. Numeric cancel, exponents get subtracted. It is m to the power 3 minus 1 minus 5 and the 5, 5 6 are 30, 6 m to the power 2 minus 1, cancel, this cancel, 9. So your ultimate answer would be m square minus 6m plus 9. This is how you do the division of polynomial by a monomial. The same question with different way, like division method, I am doing it for you so that you will start learning how to do the division method. m cube minus 30m square plus 45m. It is to be divided by 5m. Children, always remember that we start removing the highest part term. Highest part term is 5m cube, but we have only 5m. So how much more you need? You need m square. To make 5m as 5m cube, you need m square. So here we write m square and it will turn to 5m cube. Subtract, cancel, 0. Now minus 30m square The term that you have brought down has minus sign, so here we will have minus sign. Here it is 30, so here it is 5. We multiply by 6m. So 5m into 6m is minus 30m square. Cancel. 0 next term 45m. Now mm same exponent. 5 only have to be converted into 45, so plus 9, because term is positive, so plus 9 45m. So your answer is again m square minus 6m plus 9. So is this clear? I hope it is clear, and you will practice more and more to solve these questions to make yourself more creative. Now in the next part of the video we have division of polynomial by polynomial. Children, here I want to make you clear, when you do division of polynomial by a polynomial, first of all ensure that what you have to ensure? You have to ensure that they must be arranged in a descending power of variable. Can you see these two expressions? Are they arranged? No, they are not arranged. So when you write in this format, you will write arranged 5x cube minus 13x square plus 15x plus 7 divided by x square minus 3x plus 4. Fine. Now concept will be same. We start removing the highest part term. No matter how many terms you have in divisor, but here we take care of the highest part term. Rest other terms they will come, आएंगे, आप multiply करोगे आएंगे, but we will write them below same ones, like ones. So x square you need 5x. So this is 5x cube minus 15x square, because this 5x will be multiplied to this minus 3x also. And now 5x with plus 4, that is 20. So we will write plus 20 over here and solve. We put minus sign, cancelled, minus into minus will become plus, minus plus become minus. So this is 2x square plus 15x minus 13. Now your highest part term is 2x square. But to get 2x square you have to, and it is positive, you have to multiply by 2. 2x square minus 6x plus 8. Let's subtract. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus. We cancel. 15 6 9x and minus 13 minus is minus 21. So this is your quotient and here is your remainder. Overall concept is that you have to arrange your expression in a descending power of variable, and then you will start removing what highest power variable whichever comes, and you just take care of the sign. When you subtract and you get, if it is minus over here we put minus here, if it is plus here we put plus in the quotient. Clear everyone? I hope you will all practice for your exams, to make yourself Confident enough in this part? If you have any query, please write in comment box. Thank you everyone.